Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're going to crack the code of maintenance costs. If you've ever been curious about the ins and outs of maintenance work order costs, then stick around. We'll be dissecting everything from labor costs to the cost of equipment, supplies, and tools. This knowledge will empower you to make better decisions for your maintenance and operations teams. Let's get to it. Let's dive into the fascinating world of maintenance costs. Yes, you heard it right, maintenance costs. They might be a bit challenging to measure, but understanding the different categories of maintenance work order costs is a crucial starting point. So let's get started. First up, we have labor costs. Labor isn't just about wages and salaries. It's a broad category that includes a wide range of subcosts. These include wages and salaries, benefits and bonuses, training and development costs, safety and incidents insurance and costs, contractor costs, and emergency or overtime pay. So it's safe to say that labor is one of the biggest maintenance costs for most organizations. Next, let's talk about equipment, supplies, and tools. The type of business and industry you're in will determine the kind of equipment, supplies, and tools you need for maintenance. For instance, if you're managing an apartment complex, you'll need repair equipment, plumbing and electrical supplies, furnace filters, landscaping equipment, and janitorial supplies. On the other hand, a manufacturing facility might require equipment-specific gauges or other testing tools. And let's not forget, buying and using maintenance software is a significant cost for just about any maintenance department. But wait, there's more to the story. It's hard to discuss maintenance costs without looking at the other side of the equation. What costs are saved with effective maintenance programs? The answer might surprise you. Most companies will tell you that the biggest cost is unplanned downtime. According to Aberdeen research, over 80% of businesses experienced unplanned downtime within a 3-year period. And the potential cost? Hold on to your hats, folks. It's more than $250,000 per hour. Now, if an efficient maintenance program can be implemented and operated at a fraction of that cost, you're looking at a major boost to your bottom line. On a smaller scale, a CMMS can help you identify preventive and predictive maintenance tasks for particular critical pieces of equipment. It can also measure the impact of those tasks over time. With this kind of data, you can weigh the true cost of maintenance against the replacement cost of specific systems in your organization. This can help you make better decisions in the long run. So there you have it. A quick primer on the different types of maintenance costs. Understanding these costs is the first step towards a more efficient and cost-effective maintenance program. Thank you for watching. Today, we've explored the various types of maintenance costs, from labor to equipment, supplies, and tools, and how understanding these can lead to more efficient and cost-effective maintenance programs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our resources and tools for maintenance and operations teams, visit upkeep.com. Until next time, stay tuned.